Hi, let's talk today about NaN in JavaScript, accessibility, and CSS. If this is your first time here and you want to learn front-end and JavaScript, start right now by subscribing and don't forget to turn on the subtitles. Front-end Performance Checklist 2012 is a tailored front-end performance checklist that covers everything you need for creating fast web experiences. It is available in PDF and other formats. Tracking down memory leaks in Node apps is a popular topic because there is always something to learn here. In the article Memory Leaks Demystified by Giovanni Gongora, you can learn about V8 and using Node and Chrome Dev tools to track down memory leaks. Dmitry Pavlyutin in his turn posted one more interesting article titled NaN in JavaScript. Here you can read about a special number in JavaScript, operations resulting in NaN, and checking for equality with NaN. In the tutorial Adaptive Loading – Improving Web Performance on Slow Devices, you can learn how to ensure that every your user gets the best possible experience based on the hardware and network constraints, and how Twitter, eBay, etc. use it. In this episode of The State of the Web, Rick Wiscomi talks with Mary Sutton about web accessibility, its impact on business, and more. In the talk, Exploring Audio with React and SVGs, the author shows how to use SVGs with React to visualize audio and provided several compelling examples. Oldies but goldies. In case you missed a pretty good article, Optical Effects in User Interfaces, an illustrated guide by Slava Shestopalov. You need to check it out. Here you can learn how to make optically balanced icons, correcting shapes, alignment, and perfect corner rounding. Take a look. In the article Multi-Thumb Sliders, a tutor examines in detail how to implement multi-range sliders and style them. Rachel Andrew in his turn posted a detailed guide, namely Understanding CSS Grid, creating a grid container. In this series, the author breaks down the CSS grid layout spec. The first part describes what happens when you create a grid container. You know, I'm not a big fan of CSS, but this talk regarding CSS features and beyond in Chrome and supposedly in the web platform then really impressed me. In the post, Smaller HTML Payloads with Service Workers, Philip Walton explains how to load unique content for each page, using cache for shared content. The last but not least point for today is a long read by Dan Abramov, titled My Decade in Review. The author described his journey from a college in 2010 to the position that he has now in 2012. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and stay curious.